Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can start testing on TestFlight. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So TestFlight is simply a platform for the people to create apps and let other people to review and test it, right? So to do so, simply gotta go ahead, access your app store first, and go to search bar and type in TestFlight. Upon doing that, you will find the first option right away. Go ahead, tap on this download icon and wait till it is installed in your phone. Now tap on this open option and tap on continue afterwards, and you can see this is how it's simply going to look like. So once you have installed it, you will simply tap on this option of redeem for you to provide the code to redeem it. So you can see before you can start testing, a developer has to invite you to test one of their TestFlight apps. To accept an invite, tap on the link in the email or enter invitation redeem code. So once you have installed the app, there is not much to do inside it unless you have the invite code or the email. You simply have to let the app developer to know that they have to send you invite link on your email address. Provide them the information of your email address. Go ahead, tap on the link or get the invitation redeem code. Tap on redeem, enter the code, tap on redeem, and then you will be able to get into the app for you to simply manually review and test the app for them. So that is the process. So hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.